In this video, I'll talk about how you can buy fractional shares on Webull. Now keep in mind you need to be located in America or Canada before this is gonna work, otherwise you cannot make a buy order. But what you want to do is create your account, deposit some funds, and then head over to stocks or whatever you want to buy. Now from in there, what you want to do is select the stock. So I have Tesla here. And then what you want to do is want to press buy, and under buy you can do a fractional buy. So this is how it works. You simply want to find the one that you want to buy. Once you've done that, you want to select buy, and under buy there will be a fractional shares option. So just enable that one when you press on the buy button, and then enter the dollar amount that you want to buy. So if you want to buy, let's say $50 or $100 worth of stock, you can do that, and then Webull will automatically calculate how much of that stock that you're gonna buy. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.